Snapchat has recently announced a new AI chatbot feature that will allow users to interact with virtual characters. The OpenAI-powered chatbot will make recommendations for things like filters and is making waves in the tech community. Netizens have been left with ample queries regarding the new feature, but we have tried to cater to all of them. We have created a page to answer all of the questions that are taking place in people's minds regarding Snapchat's AI chatbot. What is iChatbot on Snapchat? Snapchat's AI chatbot is titled My AI and will be available to all 750 million users. It is built on advanced natural language processing technology and is designed to interact with users in a more personal and engaging way. It is accessed through Snapchat's Lens feature, which allows users to apply filters and 3D graphics to their snaps. The company also showcased an example during the annual conference of the company, where the bot responded to a photo of red tomatoes in a garden, prompting it to respond with a generated picture of gazpacho soup. How to use iChatbot Snapchat. The virtual characters that users can interact with are created by Snapchat's design team and feature a range of personalities, from funny and quirky to serious and informative. Users can choose from a broad range of different characters and interact with them through the text-based chatbot. The chief executive officer of Snapchat, Evan Spiegel, said it is an awesome creative tool. Here you can enable iChatbot on Snapchat. What are the different ways to remove my AI from my chat feed? To remove my AI from your chat feed, follow these steps. Number 1. Swipe right from the camera screen to go the chat screen. Number 2. Press and hold on to my AI. Number 3. Tap chat settings. Number 4. Tap clear from chat feed. Snapchat's AI chatbot feature is an exciting development in the field of chatbots. It uses natural language processing technology to understand and analyze user requests in a more nuanced way, making the interaction feel more like a conversation than a transaction. However, My AI faced backlash from some people when it was made available to paid subscribers. Snapchat added more safeguards to My AI, including self-reported age before using the chatbot to respond to prompts. The CEO of Snapchat ignored the problematic interactions that have already created controversies and said the overwhelming majority of interactions with My AI have been positive. He further added, "The thing that gave us a lot of confidence is that as we monitored the way that people were using the service, we found that 99.5% of My AI replies conformed to our community guidelines." How to remove My AI chatbot on Snapchat. Number 1. Tap the button in the profile screen to open settings. Number 2. Scroll down to Privacy Controls and tap Clear Data. Number 3. Tap Clear Conversations. Number 4. Tap the Next to My AI to remove the conversation from your feed. Snapchat's new AI chatbot feature is an example of how AI technology is becoming increasingly integrated into our daily lives, with companies like Snapchat using it to create new and innovative experiences for their users. This feature is an example of how AI technology is becoming increasingly integrated into our daily lives, with companies like Snapchat using it to create new and innovative experiences for their users. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see more chatbots like this in the future, as well as other new and exciting applications of this technology. Stay tuned to this website for more details and updates.